Hello everybody, welcome. Now, this video is going to be extra large sausage roll, extra large chili chutney sausage roll. That's what it's going to be. I got this from Aldi, £3.99. I do another one, which is a cranberry one, I think it is. Another Christmas selection, I suppose I do. Instead of making your own, it's more simple. So let's open it up. It says new. Let's open it up. Let's have a look. Right, as I say, specially selected, sweet and spicy, succulent British pork with a sweet and chili chutney centre, wrapped in a flaky puff pastry. Okay. Where's the thing? There we go. What's it say here? Yeah, whether it's small in McGavin or large group of friends. Yeah, just for Christmas, ain't it? Where's the nutrition and ingredients? I can't see a thing again. There's all the ingredients, have yourselves a look. Get a pause and whatever, and all the nutrition. And cooking. Place on a baking tray in the middle shelf of a preheated oven for the time specified. 45 to 50 minutes. So quite simple again. Let's open it up and let's have a look. How big is it? Well, there's the size of the box. See the size of the box, don't you? It's half the size of the box. Oh, maybe not. I mean, it's not full size of the box, look, is it? You know, don't have to have the box that big, did I? Look. So that's a bit disappointing to start with. I know they have them a little bit bigger so it doesn't bang the sides, but it's already banged the sides in that big. So it's not extra large, is it? I mean, it is if you have a Greggs one, I suppose. Yeah, it is. But there we go. Anyway, there's the cross on the top. Cross, star. There's not much else to show you, apart from I got it in the oven for 45-50 minutes. And we'll have a look. Right, it's done. So let me show you if I can pick it up. Hot. There it is. Let's go on this side. What do we think? Giant sausage roll. I mean, it is giant, isn't it? It's caught a bit at the edges there. Yeah, extra large chili chutney sausage roll. I'm new. So let's cut it open and let's have a look. Let's go there. Okay. Meat doesn't look very done, does it? It is though. Just the way it is, I suppose. Okay. So let's have a taste test. So, there you go. You can see it properly. A bit dark. Let's cut a bit open then and just try a little bit. All the stuff's come out, look. It's all fell out. It's all fell out, look, all fell together, fell off. Let's try and get another piece. Very flaky. Yeah, the flakiness is just falling off it, look. It's just all falling off, look. You end up with sausage meat, look. That's a shame, innit? Let me get a plate. Stick a bit on a plate. We get that back in the middle. Get in the middle. I wouldn't, first impressions now, I wouldn't have these for Christmas if you're having them as on the table. Because they don't cut very well, the paste just flakes off completely. So try the meat. That chilli is lovely. That chilli chutney is really nice. The sausage meat is not bad. It's a bit rubbery. It tastes okay, but I think that's because of the chutney. Oh no, it's got a lot, I think there's a bit of sage in there. Is that sage in there? I ain't got my glasses on, I can't see. Tastes like a bit of sage. It's not bad, it's not bad. Just the same, you can't, I mean, try again and cut another piece and see if I can get it with a pastry on. It's all completely flaking off unless I have a massive piece like that. But then there's no thing in there. I can just cut the end off there, look. And it's all just fell out, look. Which is a shame. So you couldn't have it as a centrepiece like that. I mean, you probably could. I'm probably just a bit rough-handed, but never mind. But it is nice. I must admit, it is very nice. That chutney is really nice. You can have a bit more of that. I do like that chutney. And together it tastes nice, which is a shame. Well, there you go, gonna buy it again. You can probably make your own, but it does taste nice. I must admit that. Is it worth, what did I say it was? £4.99 was it or something? Will I buy it? Do you want to try some of this, Bab?
Out.
No?
Wasn't sorry.
Do you want to try some of this sausage?
Um,
No? Yes?
go on then, I'll just try tiny bit. I'll just have some off that plate, it's okay. I'll put the plate down for me.
You want to try some chutney?
Oh, is it? What you done to it?
Well, I cut it and it's all fell apart.
Oh dear.
I know.
Oh yeah, that's what you need. Cutting it in, it's just all coming apart.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's nice, isn't it?
That's nice. I like that.
It's nice.
Try pastry.
It's just a shame.
It's ended in a mess.
It's in the mess. That's probably me.
That's nice.
It is nice, isn't it? Well, there you go anyway. I mean, I'm in a right mess. Look at the state of it. Look at it. So that's it anyway. If you're interested, I do a cranberry one as well. You're probably a lot lighter-handed than me when cutting things. I just chop them up, I do. Well, there we go anyway. Something else, something nice and quick. I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like and subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye-bye.